So walked a good kilometer from where I was parked at the bridge. The river is huge. I haven't been down here in a long time. Years, not months, years. Ever since I was knocking the fish there at my local Lachlan Bridge, close to home. Didn't bother about coming down here. You can see how the water's rippling there. There's an island. There's always an island over here. There's another little inlet over there that goes down towards that factory. I don't know what shape they put in their water. It's monitored and tested regularly. But there's an island there. That's why that water is turning a bit. And I used to try and, there's a little gap. I used to fish in the gap to get into that little mouth there. I used to get my trout, small trout, that little inlet over there. But we'll keep going, walk down, see if we can find a spot where it's quite open and water's not moving as fiercely, because if anything I'll catch reeds or lose my bony paddle tail, which I don't really want to unnecessarily throw away.